Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Nuru and I'm a Year 12 student at Caplora International Schools. And today I'm going to be showing you how to access the Caplora portal. First, you go to any search engine of your choice. I'm using Google. It will take you to this interface. You put in your login details or you create an account. Then we have the dashboard. To access the home page, we have the calendar, birthdays, and other material to read. Then you have your messages. If there's any teacher you want to contact, you could either use the forum or you could find their number and email address over here. These are all the teachers. Then you have your academic. All the subjects over here. I do history, so we can use it as an example. All the subjects have a similar look to it. So we have online exam, homework, forum, study material, marks, etc. Name of the teacher, or previous exam. Yeah, go to marks. Every exam you do will be in the marks section. Then you have class routine, where you have your timetable and your schedule for the day, so you're not disorganized. Then we have library. All the textbooks for your subjects will be over here. Then you have your calendar. Major events will be put over here. And yeah, I hope that helped you and have a great rest of your day. Okay, I've been Nuru and I hope you found this very helpful.